Hey y'all, this is Rochelle and welcome back to my channel, Rochelle's Plans. Thank you for joining me for another video, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my October subscription box for Simply Gilded. So I have the box here and it says Divine on the front, a circle here with the gem in the middle with the flowers surrounding it, and then some stars, you know, around the gem. And then you have the foliage, you know, around the circle. Box is, and everything included in this month's box is this earthy neutral tones, like this peachy pink tone. And then on the back you have this, I don't know what color this is, like sage brown, brownish color with the herbs on the back with juniper here, her Simply Gilded logo, and then her website and her different social media platforms. But this is really pretty. And then you well, everything in the box is this yellow gold foil. So really, really pretty. You have here on the top here where it says Divine in volume 36. So yeah, this box is really pretty. I don't know if you guys repurpose your boxes. I don't. I used to keep them, but they were just piling up. And so I said, you know what, I've got to get rid of these. If I'm not going to do anything with them, I got to get rid of them. And they are really, really pretty. So yeah, so that's the box. And guys, let me just say this before we get too deep into the video. Everything that I'm going to be showing you, I will have a link in my description box straight to her website. If you do decide to order anything, if you wouldn't mind if you would use my referral code. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a referral code. You will get $5 off of your first $15 order, and I get $5 off as well as being a referral code. Okay, so again, it will be posted in the description box below. Okay, so also included in the box, you get this, I call it an inventory card. It tells you everything that's in the box. So I'm going to just keep this to the side while I refer to what's all in the box. So you get this foiled journaling card, this really, really deep blue color. It kind of looks like a navy blue. If you guys can see that, it kind of looks navy blue. You've got, it looks like a full moon here with the foliage on the opposite sides of the moon or the circle, her little Simply Gilded bow, and some juniper ears, and then her logo here at the bottom. So really, really cute. You also get this vegan leather pouch. If you look at it here closely, you can see the little shimmers in it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Okay, opening it up, and then you see you have the Simply Gilded logo there, and then you have a little pocket here on the inside as well. She included these D-rings on both sides of the pouch if you want to use it as a little clutch. So this is really, really pretty. You can use it for whatever you want to use it as. If you want to just keep, you know, stickers in there, if you want to put makeup in there, if you want to give it to your daughter, whatever you want to do, this is a cute little pouch. Next is included are these, what is this? Vinyl die cut stickers. This is a new one. I haven't seen this one before. Let's see if I can get it out. Okay. So this is what the card looks like. And you could repurpose this as well. I probably won't, but you definitely could. It's the same logo that was on the box, or design that was on the box. And these are die cut stickers. So you've got 2 butterflies, the crescent moon here with the rabbit there, and the foliage of the flowers, and then the stars. What is this one? Oh, this is the gem surrounded in the flowers, and this is silver. Everything else is yellow gold. This is not silver. This is hollow foil. Yeah, hollow foil. And then you have the cute little cat here with the crescent moon there surrounded by the stars. Really pretty. And again, if you just want to use these to you know, put in the front corner of your planner, you can definitely do that. If you want to use them as stickers, you can use them as stickers, but these are die cut stickers. Sorry y'all if y'all hear that wind in the background. It's not wind, it's my space here. It gets cold in here, so there you go. You can take this off, and there's your sticker. So I'm not going to take the entire thing off. Okay. Well, and these colors are just really, really pretty. I love the colors that she used in this month's box. Okay, so these are your vinyl die cut stickers. Okay, you also get the vellum and foil sticky notes. These are new as well. Well, she's done sticky notes before, but I've never seen her do the vellum sticky notes. So yeah, this is what they look like. Okay, and included is this Sakura micro perm pen, which you can write on the sticky note. So let's see. So she included this in the box as well. Okay, so it definitely writes on the vellum. Okay, on the sticky note. So there you go, and it's dry, so no smudging or smearing. All right, so this is the vellum and foil sticky notes. Next are the acetate and vellum sheets. Take this out. So first here, so this is the vellum, and then this is the acetate. If you look here, this acetate, it has the constellations. Are these constellations? Well, the zodiac in this hollow foil, and then you get the vellum here. You've got some moon phases and also the zodiac signs. Okay, so you get those 2 sheets. Next, you get the B6 stitch binding notebook. And again, just like previous notebooks, it is a dot grid. Okay. Next, which I love so much, is her gel ink pen, her engraved gel ink pen. I love, love, love her ink pens. They write so well. And if you can see here, the little micro glitters on the pen with the butterfly design or butterflies on top of the micro glitters. And here you go. I love her pens. They write so, so well. They've got her Simply Gilded logo and then the bow on the top. So pretty. I don't know if y'all can see the micro glitters, but they are really, really pretty. And then let's look at the Deluxe sticker kit and seals. Let's take these out. So you get the 2 full sheets of stickers, and these colors are so, so pretty. You've got 2 weeks worth of header stickers. You've got some circle icons, some headers down here. You've got the heart checklist with some bows. 1, 2, 3 full box stickers here on this page or this side. And then you get some more header stickers. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 box stickers. You've got some deco stickers here. You've got some flags, and then these could be used as little washi strips. Again, in this gold, yellow gold foil. And then on the mini sticker sheet, you've got some half boxes, another full box, which these look like layered necklaces. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heart checklists with some deco stickers here. Y'all, this is really, really pretty. I don't know if this blue is coming across on camera, but this is navy. Looks like navy to me. And look at the rich brown. This box is so pretty. You also get the they're not bow seals, but they're circular seals. So you can use these however you want. You can whatever you want to seal, but these are really, really, really pretty. And then you get the Aurora pink foil for the heart icons. So pretty, y'all. Again, the same Aurora pink foil with the script words for work, home, and play. So pretty. All right, and then next we have the washi tape. So her washi tape comes in this pouch. If you can see here, I don't know, but again, you have the different, what is it? The Zodiac. Yeah, so she started to include the washi in this packaging. So here are the different washi tapes. So, so pretty, y'all. So pretty. I love these earthy tones. These are really, really pretty. You have this one here with the Aurora pink foil. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can you see it? So pretty. Okay. And then I subscribe to the add-on washi, which is an additional $5 or $6. So if you don't subscribe to the add-on washi, you will not get this in your box. You would just get only these. Okay. So I do have them rolled out. So let me show y'all. So here is the washi all rolled out. I mean, really, really pretty. Look at this. I don't know what color this is. This brown sagey color background with the butterflies. Then you've got some crescent moons, or is that a crescent? What, moons? And then you've got this stardust washi, a constellation washi, and then this kind of ombre bow washi. You've got the perforated moon phases here, and then the 5mm add-on washi with some bows, shooting stars, some stars, and then the crescent moon. So really, really pretty. And this set here is, let's see, this one, I think this one, and this one are, she said it was a galaxy washi. I think this goes in there. I'm not sure, but I know she said that this was her first galaxy washi set that she's done in these colors. So really, really pretty, y'all. Okay, and then the mystery item. I'm going to show y'all the mystery item. If you do not want to see it, please stop the video right here, okay? In the description box, I will put a timestamp, okay? So if you don't want to see the mystery item, turn the video off now. So here is the mystery item. It looks like it is a push pin. So really, really pretty. Look at that. The half of the crescent moon with her simply gilded bow on it. It's really pretty. So yeah, that's the back of it. But yeah, so really, really pretty. Irene does a great job every month with her sub boxes. So here is everything laid out. Got the B6 stitch binding notebook. You've got the sticker kit. Got the vellum and the acetate. You have the vegan leather pouch, the foiled journaling card, the vellum foil sticky notes. Can't get this up, y'all. The vinyl die cut stickers, the washi tape here. And the add-on washi, plus the Sakura microperm pen and her engraved black gel ink pen. So y'all, this box, you still should be able to receive to get this box. Again, just go on our site, simplygilded.com. I don't think she's sold out. I haven't heard, but just go on her site if you need to. It'll be included in the description box. And by using their referral code, remember, you get $5 off of your first initial order of $15 or more. And all right, so this is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, saw some goodies that you might want to purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Rochelle. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.